In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. All you need to go and do is open up Instagram. And then once you've opened up Instagram, go ahead and click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on your three lines in the top right corner. And then go ahead and click on settings. And then once you've selected settings, as you can see right there at the top, there's an option for notifications. Go ahead and select that. So you can go ahead now and click on pause all notifications, which will pause all notifications, and you can click and then you can choose a time. So you can go ahead and choose from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. But then you can go ahead now and you can do it all individually. So like likes, you can turn them off. And then likes and comments on photos of you can also turn them off. And then so on and so forth. So you can go through them and just tailor it to your liking. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.